In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively switch back and forth between tasks in Clickup. Whether you're new to Clickup or simply looking to fine-tune your workflow, this guide will simplify your task navigation and help you stay organized while boosting your productivity. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Clickup website, which serves as your central hub for managing all your work tasks in one streamlined place. Once there, locate the login button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will bring you to Clickup's login portal, where you can access your dashboard and view all your tasks, projects, and ongoing assignments. If you typically sign in using Google, the Sign in with Google option is a fast and convenient choice. Clicking it will redirect you to a Google login page where you can select the account linked to your Clickup workspace. Choosing the correct account is important because it ensures all your projects and tasks are properly synced, giving you seamless access to everything you need. Once logged in, you'll land on your Clickup dashboard, which displays your tasks in a neat and organized format. From here, select the task you want to work on. Now comes the part that can really improve your workflow: switching efficiently between tasks. To do this, locate the task switcher, represented by a small arrow at the top of your task view. This feature allows you to navigate between multiple tasks without leaving your current page, saving valuable time and keeping your focus intact. Instead of constantly going back to the main task list, the task switcher lets you jump directly to the task you need, making transitions seamless and uninterrupted. Using the task switcher is simple. Click on the arrow and you'll see a list of tasks available for selection. From there, just click the task you want to switch to and it will load instantly. This is particularly helpful when managing multiple assignments, collaborating on different projects, or consulting various tasks throughout your day. By streamlining the process, you maintain continuity in your workflow and reduce distractions that come from repeatedly navigating back and forth. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and switch between tasks in Clickup, ensuring your workspace remains organized and your productivity stays high. Regular use of the task switcher will help you save time, stay on top of your responsibilities, and focus on completing tasks rather than searching for them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you streamline your task management. With these tips, you can navigate Clickup more effectively, stay organized, and make the most out of your workday. Happy organizing!